Hello, guys. This is Sharif Omar talking to you. I'm a senior trader in global markets. I started my trading at the year 2006, which means almost 15 years ago. I started at forex market. I used to trade on the currencies. Then later on, uh, I trade also in share market. I trade also later on in precious metals, gold, silver. And the last 3 years, exactly at the year 2018, I started my trading in cryptocurrencies. As you can see, from my experience, I used to move easily from market to market to market to market as long as I'm having the basics, which means I'm almost very senior and highly qualified in the technical analysis about the charts and the candles using the indicators, which are giving a very almost very clear picture and view for what will happen the next, let's say, 4 hours, or the next 1 hour, or the next week, next month. So, as you can see, as long as you are having the basics, you can trade anywhere. Even in oil, if you want to trade, you can trade on it. And it's not that much a big deal, which means very, very easy, as long as you are qualified. As you can see, this is the first time that I'm making a video. Actually, I want to share my experience that I gained the last 15 years with all of you. As you can see, now the future is for the crypto. Why? As long as there is inflation, which means that there is money, but the purchasing value of the money is getting less and less and less year after year. For example, let's say you were having 50K dollar or pound or euro or any currency, whatever it is. If you are having this money, this such a big money, 50K, it was 10 or 15 years ago, you were very, very, very rich. You can buy a house, you can buy land, you can buy farm, you can have a very good investment, you can buy chalet, you can buy big quantity of gold, golden bars. 50K, 10, 15 years ago, it was a big money. But now, what 50K can do? Can you buy a land? No. Can you buy a house? No. Can you buy gold? Okay, yes, you can buy gold. 50K, you can buy almost, if I'm not wrong, 26 or 27 bars. Ounce, exactly. Now the ounce of gold is almost $1,800, 1,800. So by 50K, you can buy 26 ounce. You can see ounce. The price of the gold, 15 years ago, it was $400 per ounce. Now, $1,800 per ounce. What does that mean? There is dollar and there is gold. What happened? Gold is up, the dollar still dollar, the same printed paper, piece of paper, printed by George Washington and the value. It is the same $100, which was 15 years ago, the same $100. But what about the value of the $100? It was like this before. Now, and it will go again and go lower and lower and lower. This, what we are calling the inflation. You have too much money, too much euros, too much pound, too much dollars. But the value is down, down, and down, and down. At the year 2009, when the Bitcoin started, if you remember, had been launched, it was almost less than $100. And even some of the programs, if you are going to download here and there through the net, some applications, they will say to you, if you will download this one, we will give you 1 Bitcoin free. And later on, maybe $5, $9. So it reached $100 when it started for trading. So within a few months, it reached up to 1,000. Everybody say, oh my God, we missed the chance. We could easily invest even a small amount and put it. Now it means that our capital had been doubled 10 times. Oh, we wish that we can get back the time that we can start doing this and get some benefit from it, some profit. Later on, from 1,000, it reached to 5,000. Oh, the same, but more people get attention, and they said, oh my God, we missed the chance again. It was like that till it reached 21,600. So everybody was getting day after day shocked, astonished. Everybody's doing like, what is going on? How come? How come? Suddenly it fell down from 21,600. Exactly March, if I'm not wrong, March 2019. It reached 3,900. So everybody said, thanks God, we didn't invest. Otherwise, we are going to face bankruptcy right now. Because people who bought it, purchased it 21,600. Now it is 3,900. Means they lost almost 75% of their investment. But what happened later on? From 3,900, non-stop rally, it reached up to 26, then 32, then 38, then 40, then 50, then 64,900. Imagine, from 3,900 to 64,900. As you can see, it's almost 15 or 16 times double your capital. From the numbers that I mentioned, and I'm still mentioning till now, you can see that this market, there is a very big volatility, which means if you know the right time to enter and the right time to exit, the right time to open a position, purchasing, and the right time to make a profit taking, then you will be very comfortable financially without thinking, just enjoying the fruit of the right decision of investing in this promising market. I know so many guys, they will say, how we can invest in a market that we don't understand? That means we are like gambling. We are going to put our money just like that. Maybe we will gain, maybe we'll get profit, and maybe we'll lose it. I agree with you. In one case, if you don't have the person that will guide you and teach you from A to Z to become a pro in taking this decision. By the way, I'll be the one to do this for you and for free. I am not doing it to be a manager of your capital. No, I will not be the one to invest it. You will be the one to do this by yourself. All what you need is one thing. If you are interested in starting a very promising investment, full of experience, knowledge, and profit, as we all wish from God to help us and to give us, because He's generous and we are all poor, for the gifts from Him, for His gifts. All what you need is to do is one thing, just only press on the bell below and the button subscribe in the channel. I'll be the one to guide you from A to Z. You will tell me how. Okay. Each video we are going to share these experiences from, first of all, show you how to read the chart to know whether it is the right time to enter or the right time to exit. Enter, it means opening a position, buying. Exit, it means it's the time of profit taking, or it is the right time for stand aside, which means just watch till the right moment will come to take the decision and to take the action. We will start, first of all, I will give it to you by this. You will ask me how you will give this. Okay, I will be the one to give you freely. It's through our videos as a sort of lectures for trading analysis from the beginning. How are the shapes of the candles, Japanese candles, that all charts are consisting of these candles. We are going to see it from the beginning about the shapes. Later on, the frame, which we are going to focus carefully to see any signal of weakness or strength that we can take our decision immediately. Passing by the indicators that we are going to use, like Fibonacci retracement, RSI, relative strength index, moving averages, Bollinger, Ishimoku cloud, and some other moving averages, as I said. Passing by the other indicators that may be in need from time to time to have a nice picture and nice hint about what will happen at the next couple of hours or couple of days or couple of weeks. This all I'm going to share it with you, as I'm telling you, for free. So if you are interested in this, I'll be happy to be your guide about it. All what you need, which is your role, of course, after your approval, click the bell, press on the button of subscribe, and the rest will be my role. So I promise you from now that this cooperation and this program, that this video, you will never regret for it. At the contrary, I'm pretty sure that you will say, oh my God, why we didn't start this trip a long time ago. Okay? I wish you all the best of luck for everyone. Have a pleasant evening. Waiting anxiously to start the trip with you all. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye-bye.